To enable the screensaver on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, we need to go to the settings. In the settings, you want to find and go to display. Now over here, we need to scroll down, pretty much all the way down, in order to find the screensaver. Go over here, and now you can choose colors, photo table, photo frame, or photos. Now, depending on your option, you might also want to open the settings. So on the right side, if there is this gear icon, you can tap on it in order to find some options. Now you might be asked to grant permission to photos and videos on this device. I'm gonna choose allow all in order to find all these items or all this data on the phone. Unfortunately, I don't have anything, so this time I won't be able to choose it. But essentially, this is how we can set up the screensaver. We also have this preview button if needed. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!